Good morning, everybody. On your screen, you can see yesterday's daily check-in. This was for Monday, May 18th. On top, you see the system of equations. It was an equal values method. So we would take 2x plus 3 and set it equal to the negative 4x minus 3. You can see that on the right side of your screen there. There were two steps. We added 4x to both sides, and then in pen there, I showed you the minus 3 from both sides. You end up with x equals negative 1. You take that negative 1, put it in over here. 2 times negative 1 plus 3, or you could put it in right there, negative 4 times negative 1 minus 3. You still end up with the same thing, which is positive 1. So x would be negative 1, y would be positive 1. Down below, solving for the indicated variable. You started out with a equals 2b plus c. Subtract 2b from both sides because you were supposed to solve for c. You ended up with a minus 2b equal to c. Okay, just a reminder, get those daily check-ins done. And this week it's all Delta Math, and I'll be posting another video that will help you on those inequalities. Have a great Tuesday.